Metro Garage Door is hiring experienced technicians. We look for folks who already have some certifications through the IDEA. If they don't, we do train that. A lot of garage door companies in our industry, for one reason or another, do not spend the money or take on that cost of training their employees and getting them certified, but that's something that's very important to us. All of our technicians are at some path to becoming a master technician. We have master technicians on staff, and everybody is expected to be working on their educational goals. We fund that, we support it, and it's very important to us. It can take several years for a technician to really get fully trained, and we have folks here who have been here for 10 years, 20 years, 25 years, and that's very important because technical training, a lot of it is done under almost like an apprenticeship under our more experienced technicians, and a lot of that work and training is done on site under supervision. Otherwise, though, we send our folks to classes and trainings. We will fly our folks to events like EDUCON that the IDA puts on, the International Door Association, and we'll do trainings with them. We want to make sure every one of our team members is getting the best education possible, which is great for our technicians as well. It builds their career out, builds their resume. It makes them a real professional.
At Metro, we take care of you.